Marva, Katie Sampaio here, and I'm here to talk to you today about water and why staying hydrated is so important for your health and wellness. So the first thing that we need to talk about is the benefits of it. Mainly, we hear that, okay, both of our bodies are composed of water, but that's a true fact. 60% of our bodies are composed of water. So by staying hydrated, we are able to just live and thrive better and function better on a daily basis. It's really important for our health. It's important for getting our nutrients circulated all throughout our body. It's important for having energy and not being fatigued. You might notice that when you're dehydrated, you're really just exhausted and you want to go home and pass out. And that's just because that's a side effect of not having enough water. And we all know that drinking a lot of water can be a difficult thing at times. Drinking sodas, drinking juices, that does not count. Drinking teas does not count. Drinking coffee does not count. So we actually have to find better ways to stay hydrated throughout the day and make it a more enjoyable process without adding the sugar and everything else into it. So what I'm going to show you right here are some fun ways to spice up your water routine so that you actually get the right amount in throughout the day. So I have some fresh berries, I have some cucumber, I have mint here. They're all natural ways to flavor your water without adding any sugar to it. And I also love some fresh lemon and lime. So what I'm going to do is just cut this up and just put a little slice into my glass over here. This is around 16 ounces. In order to find out how many ounces you need to drink a day, you're going to take 0.67 and times it by your body weight. That's going to give you the right amount of ounces that you want to drink every single day. So for me, it's around 75, 80 ounces of water. I have to drink around 6 of these a day. So I'm just going to toss in whatever I feel like it. It's just going to naturally infuse the water. The cucumber is really nice and cooling. It's soothing. The mint's going to give it a pop if you want more of an energy lift. I like to break the mint leaf off. Gets fragrant. It's going to release it a little bit more in there. You can even kind of muddle it at the bottom of your glass if you want to do that too, like a mojito style. It works quite well. I like to do that just to get more flavor out of the mint leaves, and then I'm just going to fill it up and I'm going to drink it right now. And this is just a quick way to spice up the water routine. If you're someone who really can't stand drinking water, you like flavor, maybe you're only drinking about 1 or 2 glasses a day and instead you're grabbing juices and teas and all of that because you just don't like the taste of it or it's too boring. I totally get that, and I'm one of those people, which is why this is usually how I do this. I'll put it in a big container like that, infuse the whole container, and then just keep pouring it throughout the day and keep tabs on how much you're drinking. If you like a water bottle, they're great as well. Just figure out how many ounces that you need to drink and then aim to have 2 or 3 of these a day, depending on what your number is. So with that, hope you guys enjoyed that. Hope you're staying hydrated as we get into the summer season, which hopefully soon is coming around. And if you want more tips like this, you can go to katiesampaio.com. I have my snack guide. You have 20 snacks that you can make in 5 minutes or less, guys. I'm also going to be traveling through South America probably right now, so you'll be able to follow my journey on my social media at Katie Sampaio. And that's about it, guys. Back to you in the studio.
You know, it's always interesting watching Miss Katie Sampaio. She comes up with very creative and innovative ways for us to do healthy things.
I agree.
I would like to see an innovative way to eat French fries, though.
There we go. I like that. No, I actually do like cutting up like fruits or like cucumbers or like lemons in that and putting it in my water because it makes it taste better.
It's not, I feel like it's not water, though, like after you put all that stuff in.
You get all the nutrients, though.
It's kind of like juice.
Well, that's why I like it.
Okay.
More flavor.
No, but that's cool, though. I mean, if it helps you stay hydrated.
Exactly. I agree.
That's good. Yeah. Well, for more healthy tips, you can visit our website at 47abc.com.